Hello sweet friends! There are many different ways to make a slip knot, but here are two super simple options that are perfect for beginners to help get you started. In case you don't already know, a slip knot is how you get your very first loop onto your crochet hook. One way to make a slip knot is to grab your tail of yarn, fold it over to make a loop just like this. Make sure that the tail of yarn is laying across the top of the loop. With your index finger and your thumb, reach up inside the loop. With those two fingers, reach across and grab a hold of the yarn still attached to the skein. With your left hand, hold on tight to the tail of yarn and pull in opposite directions. And ta-da! You have a slip knot. Another super easy way to make a slip knot is to grab your tail of yarn, point the index finger of your left hand, drape the tail of yarn over that index finger, and use your thumb to hold the tail of yarn in place. Grab the yarn that's still attached to the skein and bring it down and underneath and around that same index finger. Use your thumb to hold onto this strand of yarn as well. You now have two loops on your finger. You are going to grab the left loop and bring it up over top. So grab this left loop and bring it over top of this loop. Then you're going to grab the left loop again, but this time you're going to take it all the way off of your finger. So grab this left loop, bring it up, around, and off of your finger. Pull on the yarn that's still attached to the skein to tighten. And ta-da! You have a slip knot. When you're ready to crochet, go ahead and make your slip knot. Grab your crochet hook and slide that loop right onto your hook. Make sure to get it down into this wide part of your hook, not up in the narrow part, and pull on the yarn to tighten. You don't want it too tight. You want it to be able to move around on your hook, but you also don't want it to fall off. Slip knots are awesome because they are completely adjustable in size. If you need the loop bigger, pull on the loop of yarn until it's as big as you need. And if you need to make it smaller, either pull on the strand of yarn that's connected to your skein or the tail of yarn, depending on what type of slip knot you've made. And if you want to get rid of your slip knot, grab each end of yarn and pull in opposite directions until poof, your slip knot is gone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials I have on my channel. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate and love you so much. Happy making, and I'll see you in the next video.